Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign in to the same account on the secondary device and ensure the target phone is online. Once signed in, open the Find My or Find My Device app and select the device name. This is important because the app lists active devices and lets you manage location settings. Make sure two-factor prompts can be received. If you can't approve a prompt, use a trusted phone number or recovery code so you can proceed without interruption. Once you've selected the target device, tap the option to remove or turn off tracking. On Apple, this is Remove this device or turn off Find My. On Android, it's the Find My Device toggle. Make sure to authenticate. Enter your account password and complete two-factor verification when prompted. After authentication, confirm the removal. The service unlinks the device from your account, so it won't report location. If you see a lock or activation message, that means additional steps are required. Finish by verifying the phone is removed from your devices list and that tracking is off. You can restart the target device and reopen the app to double-check. If removal failed, make sure you use the correct account and completed two-factor prompts. Sometimes residual activation locks require removing the device via the account website. If you still can't, use account recovery options or contact support because account security holds or lost credentials often block remote disabling until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.